si President Donald Trump sa G7 meeting sa Canada at pabalik na to ng White House para siguro sa opisyal na deklarasyon ng digmaan. Sobrang nakakabahala na nga ito.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Why are you leaving the G7 early for Washington?
Well, I have to be back. Very important. I want to just thank our great host. Thank you in Canada. But you probably see what I see. And I have to be back as soon as I can. We're going to have dinner with these wonderful leaders, and then I get on the plane. I have to be back early for the
National Security Council.
I loved it. I tell you, I loved it. And I think we got a lot done. Really a lot done.
Ang nakakatakot lang dito, walang career strike group sa Indo-Pacific region. What if magsimulang umatake ang China? Delikado dito ang Taiwan at Pilipinas. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa posibleng World War III ngayong gabi? I-komento sa baba ang iyong salubin.